राज्यात वाढत आशिल्ल्या ब्लॅक स्पॉटाविशीं विरोधकांनी हुस्को उक्तायला। राज्यात वाढपी अपघात आणि गुन्ह्यांच्या आंकड्यांचेर सरकारान बेगोबेग प्रश्न हाताळचे अशी मागणी कांय वांगड्यांनी केल्या। पळयात।
हांवें म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पासून जायते ब्लॅक स्पॉट जे ग्रुप भुरगे एकठांय जातात हांवें आमच्या पुलिसांक पी.आय. दाखयला कोंकणी पुलीस पूण थिंगा तेंकडे ते मॅनेज करपाक पुलीस ना। ताका लागून हांवें मागलें वेर्णी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमचे आसोलन आउटपोस्ट आहा तें फूल फ्लॅज पुलीस स्टेशन करपाक आनी हे ड्रग्स ऑर कितें इलिगल एक्टिविटीज जातात त्यो बंद जावपाक। स्पीकर सर, there has been boosting about the detection of traffic violation. 35 crores collection केला. But speaker, what about the safety of the roads? रस्त्यांचे सेफ्टी नात। एक एग्जाम्पल फाटली 2 म्हयने जाले ONGC आमचो आतां एनर्जी वीक इंडिया एनर्जी वीक चालू जावपाक 2 म्हयने वेडली टू बेतूल 2 म्हयने थिंगा लोक धाकटे 4 मिटर रोडांचेर हेवी ट्रॅफिक वचून कंटिन्युअस थिंगा एक्सिडेंट जाताले। कंटिन्युअस रातचे लोक रस्त्यार येताले। काल राती पासून दूरदर्शनाची तेंगे व्हेकल वयतात त्या पासून ट्रॅफिक बंद करून लोक ती फोडपाक पावले केस्तांव जावपाक पावले। त्या रोडाची सेफ्टीच ना। स्पीकर सर, जी सायबर क्रायम्स अवेरनेस जी आमी सायबर क्रायम सेल करता दॅट इज नॉट इनफ। कितल्योश्यो फायनान्शियल स्कॅम जाताय इंटरनेटाचेर त्यो इन्वेस्टिगेट जावपाक जाय आनी ते सॉल्व जावपाक जाय। देर इज नो टेक्निकल एबिलिटी विथ द पुलीस फोर्स टू क्रॅक दिस केस। स्पीकर सर, रिसंटली हे दिसांनी इज प्लांटिंग सायबर क्रिमिनल्स स्कूल टार्गेट करता। इट केस जाता लायक they are fake emails that asking them to reply within a day about illegal access to pornographic site from the school internet account. Asle mail ata sklani vita heje investigation जावपाक जाय।
There is one thing in criminal investigation, and that is very important, that an innocent man should not be roped in while criminals get set free. There is nothing which has been mentioned about which cases and how many of the cases the accused or those suspects who were arrested under big fanfare or showing that the case was cracked within 24 hours, 36 hours or 72 hours. How many of them cases were dropped or how many of them were discharged and where the cases were not even charge sheeted in court. There is nothing which is mentioned about attending to black spots. The central government has spoken about it. The government of India is making provisions for black spots on national highway. So also we got black spots on other roads because a lot of accidents take place also on internal roads. The saddest part of our road is that roads have become highways of death. The people are zooming on highways. People are suffering accidents and having deaths. Dr. Shetty mentioned about Peden Junction, which also falls in my constituency, partly in your constituency of the Honorable Speaker. The planning, apparently the planning was done without a proper thought process. And I'm glad that the government has accepted my proposal to have a flyover, and I hope that that comes in soon.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप कामुलकार, विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, सुभाशीष गोवेकर आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।